2, 3, 4, I can't even count them all. Alright, y'all, so I got this clip, this video here I'm working on. I'm trying to put in slow motion, so I'm going to show you how to do it and show you how to do it where it's smooth. It's just two things we have to do. So in order to do it, we got to right click. If you're using a Mac, you do that 2-finger press, but you kind of do like a long press. So press, hold, and release. And then we're going to go to the speed/duration. From here, you can change it to whichever speed you like. I'm going with 40 for this video, but where it says frame sampling, we have to change that to optic flow. Now, most of the times when you change it to optic flow, it should work. Let's check it out. But sometimes we have to render the clip, and to do this, highlight it. So, make sure it's highlighted with the white outline there. Go up to sequence, and from sequence, we're going to go to render selection. Now I didn't have to do this on my end, but you may have to do it on your end. But that's it. Just those two steps to make everything smooth and crisp. All right, that's all I have for you for this video. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.